Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram following problem. So as you see, the first thing you have to go to the settings and go after this, go to the apps, and search on Instagram. Then next you go to the storage, and as you see here you can clear cache, just clear cache, and if it does not work you can restart the phone, and if it does not work again you can try to clear data, but be careful, you will lose all your data. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.